Hi there, welcome to my channel. Today we're doing an unboxing video. I just received the item this morning to my surprise because I ordered them just on Tuesday, I believe. So that was a nice little surprise. But I'm so excited to have them in my hands that I thought I would come on here and open them with you. What are they, you ask? Well, it's the Nike Iconic Classic Sandal in the rose pink and white. So, short story before we get started, and I unbox the shoe and show you. So I went onto the Nike website. I think I was looking for running shoes because, you know, I want to be a runner and all that. But I got distracted. Ended up looking or finding these sandals, which I thought were so cute. So when I first saw them, they had them, I think, two colorways. They had a black and white and they had the pink. The model was wearing the pink, but I wanted the black and white because I thought it'd be, you know, a little bit more versatile, just easier to wear. So I put it in my basket and went to check out and found out that, you know, I had to pay $10 for shipping. And, you know, I don't like to pay for shipping. The shoes were only, well, not only, but they were 80 bucks. And I don't know, there's just something about paying extra for shipping. And I'm sure a lot of you feel me on this, but I don't know, I don't like to pay for extra for shipping. So, I mean, I would have rather preferred that, you know, Nike, you know, make the shoes $90 and have free shipping than have them for $80 with $10 shipping, unless you spend over $175. So, you know what I'm saying. Anyways, so I put it in my basket and I didn't want to check out because of the shipping costs. So I'm like, okay, well, I guess I'll wait for Nike to have, you know, a promotion of some sort, and I'm going to use that promotion to offset the cost of shipping. So they sat in my cart for a little bit. I didn't get a discount code. The next time I checked, the black and white ones that I originally wanted were sold out and the pink were left. So I really took a close look at the pink, and you know what? They were cute too, maybe a little bit cuter. So I decided, okay, I'm going to go for the pink instead. So I put those in my basket and I kept waiting and waiting and waiting. And then finally, I got an email from Nike saying that they were having, I guess, it's their anniversary of the app or whatever it was. So they're offering a 10% discount. So I'm like, oh, amazing. So I downloaded the app, put the pink shoes in my basket. I also put a pair of socks because I thought it'd be cute with socks. These were, you know, they're the Nike socks regular, but they came in, I think, pastel colors, like a pink, a beige, and maybe a white. I don't remember now. Anyway, so long story short, guys, it was just so complicated with that. I didn't know where to put the promotion code, and it still wasn't letting me check out, or the shipping costs still weren't coming off, and I really wanted these now. So I googled Iconic Classic Sandal by Nike and found out that Nordstrom had them for a little bit cheaper. They were 75 Canadian dollars on Nordstrom, and they offer free shipping. So guess where I bought them? Yeah, on Nordstrom. I put in the order, and yeah, I didn't even get a shipping notification. Maybe because I made a mistake and I put my email wrong, but whatever. They arrived today. I was just minding my own business in the morning, really early in the morning. I didn't expect to see them. My doorbell rang. I ran out, and guess what? It was UPS with my package, and here it is. So I'm excited to try these on. I hope they're as good as I think they're going to be. I'm going to open them up here with you right now, and we'll try them on and see. Okay, so hope to God that's filming, because so oh my God, yeah, that's them. Here they are. I got them in the size 8. They don't have half sizes in these. What is this? Oh, free return. So free shipping and free returns. I love that. Okay, so these are the shoes. Oh my God, what am I gonna do with this hair? Okay. Ooh, okay. So this is them, guys. Okay, can you take a good look? Let's make sure I got the right size. Yes, it's an 8. So that's the first one. This is the second. This is what they look like right out of the box. They look really good. So I'm gonna try them on now, okay? And see how I feel about them. I've seen some people try them on online. I watched a couple of unboxings because, you know, why not? And I don't know, it was mixed reviews. Not everybody loved them. One thing that everybody did say was that they were super comfortable. So, you know, I believe that. Okay, no, I don't want them there. Over here. All right, so let's see. Oh my god, yeah, I can tell they're comfortable already. Oh my god, what's going on? Feel good. They're super comfy. I don't know how they look yet, but perfect. Wow. Okay, so this is what they look like. I'm gonna stand up so you can see. Oh my god, it feels like I'm walking on a cloud with you. Amazing. This is the front. Ignore my red nail polish. It kind of throws off the pink color, but whatever, right? So this is what they look like. Let me see. Interesting. I think I'm probably keeping these. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna keep them. They feel amazing. And whatever problems that other people have with them, I don't currently have them. I know for some people that, you know, if you have a wider foot, some people couldn't get it to close all the way. So I imagine I wouldn't love it as much if I had to sort of leave this giant gap. I don't know. So if you have a bit of a wider foot, I'd be mindful of that. Maybe size up. I'm not sure how that would work, but you want these Velcro closures to go all the way to the end. It just looks a little bit neater, cleaner. It doesn't look like you're forcing your foot into the shoe. But yeah, so that's it. That's the Nike Iconic Classic Sandals in the rose pink and white. That's what they look like. And I love it. So yay! Let me know if you're planning on getting these. I highly recommend them, even though I've had them on for maybe 2 seconds, but I've been watching them for at least a month, so, or more. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. I'll put a link down below where you can buy these as well. Obviously the Nike store, probably Nordstrom because they are cheaper and they offer free shipping. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.